Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm just going to show you how to render in a 360 video in Blender 2.8. Now, I just set up this basic scene pretty quickly, just to kind of show that there's something in the front, something in the back, and something to both sides that you can all see. And then just gave this like a sphere to kind of give it an environment, I guess. So I just positioned the camera in the center-ish. You're going to want to go to the camera settings and hit it to panoramic. And then it originally starts on like a fisheye. Either one of these. Unless you want this kind of look and render, we're not going to use it. We want an equirectangular. And then for the dimensions, you're going to make it a 2:1 aspect ratio. So if the sides are 1080, just type in 1080 times 2 or whatever dimension you have in the Y. So then it pulls it out a little bit more. Going to want to get all of the settings so that they're nice. Then I just gave this basic rotating animation, I think that might look cool. And then you're just going to want to render it. So now, this might take some time to render, because you're rendering, especially if you do like an actual scene, like maybe you're doing an arc viz or like a sci-fi scene or something. It's going to take much longer to render. But then, once this finishes, I'll show you how you can inject the 3D metadata that you need in order to get the 360 video to actually register as 360. Like, there was one frame. The sad thing is, Eevee currently doesn't have a way of doing this, at least last that I checked, and you can't get the setting, which is annoying, because then you could render like 0.2 seconds a frame, render it, you're done, and then you have the 360 video. So I'm just going to speed through this. I might make this a time lapse, or you might just see it done. Okay, so I finished rendering it. I ended up using 60 frames, 60 samples. So we're just gonna open. This is what it originally saved as. No, it saved as this one, sorry. And then you're gonna have to download this program in the description. It's just Spatial Media Metadata Injector. Now the thing is, it only opens MOVs and MP4s. So then what you're going to want to do is in DaVinci Resolve or whatever editing software, you're going to want to pull in the original file. Go to File, Project Settings, Timeline Resolution, Custom. I already have it saved. Edit, pull in the clip, deliver it. You're going to want to keep custom resolution, save it to a place. Then you're going to want to render it. Then I'm going to open Untitled. Then I'm going to do Inject Metadata. I'm going to call it, we'll just call it the vid.mov. Now, it's a successfully saved video. Go open. Now it has the proper metadata injected. So this animation is already rotating. But the problem is like the noise is rotating, so like you're going to want to do a higher resolution. Like you can see all up, down, and around. This makes it like nice and easy. So then you can upload this to YouTube or Facebook, I think supports it. It's just some problems that I ran into when I was trying to do this. So this is the original one that ended up working. Then in this one, what happened is in DaVinci Resolve, I didn't change the exporting size, so then it ended up giving me this giant black bands all around it, which is not what I wanted. The program was able to turn into 360, which works for some of it, except like the border got messed up. I have done this on a couple other of my scenes. The one thing is that like you need it to have like you have to get like a scene where you can like look around. Now the problem is like I messed up on the exporting, so there's that giant seam. But like it can look pretty nice. Like a couple other the scenes I've done is I designed this hallway. I 360'd, injected the metadata. So now there are two ways of doing it. Like you can edit. I edited before I injected the metadata. Kind of see around this whole place. So this is what the hallway kind of looked like. You can see around in a video. So then you can apply this to basically anything to make 360 videos. Thank you for watching. Remember, if you have ideas for more videos that you want to see, just leave them down in the comments for me, and I'll think about it. I might make it, and then you'll have that video that you can then watch. As always, if you liked it, please like it. If you dislike the video, go in the comments, tell me why, and I'll try to change it for future videos. Remember, if you want more videos, remember to subscribe, and as always, keep on making.